Hey guys, Jamie here with SimplicityNow.com, and today I want to break down the two options of whether or not you should give all access to your course or should you drip it over time. So I definitely think that there are benefits to both of these types of releases for courses, but I think the bigger question is, how does this fit into your bigger goal of more engagement and the next right step for your customer? So let's break down the differences between the two and see which one would be a better fit for you. First up, if we give all access to our course, it is a really great way to give high value, instant gratification, and quick results to our customers. This is especially good if you have a lower price point product that you're selling. And I think a lot of times when people purchase lower price point courses, they're expecting to get most of that content, if not all of that content, when they purchase the course. So the instant gratification people, the people who are quick starts, the people who are ready to dive into your content, if that's your audience, you might want to consider the instant gratification or the all access way of delivering your course material. This is also great because, again, it can encourage quick results and quick wins for your customers, which in turn would make you look like a rock star because you are the one that helped them get there. Now let's talk about the dripped option here. So this is really great for longer course content that's going to take a little bit longer to consume. Maybe there's several different modules or several different milestones that your customers need to reach within your course. This is also great because there's a lot more opportunity for engagement and actually reaching out and helping them complete each step before moving on to the next step. So it builds in a lot of accountability and it builds in a lot of opportunity for you to communicate with your customers while they're taking the course. Now, regardless of which one of these options you choose when you're looking at how you should set up your course for consumption, the most important component that you need to think about is follow-up. So whether you're giving all access or whether you're dripping content over time, you need to be building in a strategy for consistently communicating with these customers and helping them actually consume and ultimately complete your content. It's not enough anymore just to sell a course online and hope that people engage and hope that people actually complete it so they can get the results that they're looking for. It's up to you as the course creator to help guide them through that process as well. And of course, we all know when you have consistent check-ins and consistent ways that you're reaching out to your customers, it encourages them to continue coming back, to continue purchasing, and continue to look at you as the expert in your field. So I hope this helps you dissect the differences between different options for releasing your course content. Let me know which one you choose, or if you have any additional questions, please reach out to me. I would love to help you. Until next time, guys, have a great day.